a mix of hands-on people in the field, academics, researchers, applied researchers. So it gives you a kind of broad perspective on different topics instead of being like just only full stack or particular development toolkit or...
My favorite part of Scale by the Bay is that this is where I get to come to meet my heroes.
Well, I love the passion here in terms of really getting into the nuts and bolts of how machine learning and or even scaled systems.
It's kind of like the best place for me to get information to help me grow. So.
Well, it's hard to beat Oakland as a location. I'm pretty East Bay for life, so it's pretty awesome to have a kind of such a cool tech conference right here in our backyard.
And I really like that aspect of it. It feels very real and very raw. So I hope it stays that way and it continues to stay that way.
There's just a genuineness in terms of people want to share the technology that they're passionate about.
The thing I like most about Scale by the Bay is it continues to attract just amazing speakers and amazing attendees.
I think there's something for everybody. There's tracks for data scientists, people interested in software engineering in general, functional programming.
There's something very beautiful about it and about functional folks, and then using that as a kind of a pillar to pull in wider technologists.
I like coming and seeing, I think it's really the best Scala conference on the West Coast. I really like coming to see a lot of the people.
Definitely talking to people has been the best part. Just the people you meet, the conversations you have, from speakers to attendees, just people with interesting problems, with interesting ideas, with interesting thoughts. All of us trying to figure this out and sharing what we know, just candidly. It's really good.
There's so many amazing people that are so much smarter than me and I can learn so much from that I get to just meet in the hallway and have an amazing conversation with and learn from.
All of the super intelligent, welcoming people who are here. I mean, when you're at this conference, it always feels like you can ask a question of anybody and suddenly learn a whole lot of new things. Or if you're confused about something in the industry, a new trend or something like that.
At Scale by the Bay, it's been really interesting to see the breadth of people who are here.
It's really neat that you have the people using these technologies as well as the people working on them all together in the same room, and sort of all the companies that are involved in this ecosystem, in this universe, are all here together in the same place.